Phantom 3 has arrived. So this was shipped from China. Shipped on Sunday, arrived Wednesday morning. The Phantom 3. And let's do a little bit of unboxing. It's right here. So I've got these little jammies. Looks like somebody already opened my package for me. Thanks, guys. Definitely a lot tougher with one hand. Alright, what have we got here? A manual with a sticker. Read and understand this manual first. We don't need that. Just kidding. We should definitely read it. Okay. So here we got the ship. You can smell the factory. Let's see, what's this? Oh, this is the propellers. Okay. So we got the propeller bag. Nice. Let's see. Okay, standard props. Oh, they're pretty stiff. They're much more stiffer than the other ones. They got this little plastic wrap around them. These are definitely much stiffer than previous ones I've had. So that's that. Got the remote. It's got the thing already on it. Sweet. So it's got that on there. You got the remote. You got the return to home button, power button. Okay, it even turns on. It's got some juice. Okay. Okay, so it's just doing battery check, looks like. Pretty nice feeling remote. So it's already got the gold stickers on it. Got all the gold stuff. Everything comes pre-installed, looks like. Here's the little sensor, the air sensor. The battery's in the ship. Let's see if it's got some juice. Alright, it's got a little bit of juice. Will definitely need to be charged. No specific